So Windows 11 25H2 is finally here, Microsoft's latest and most powerful update yet. Most people with supported PCs are already making the jump through Windows Update or by downloading it from Microsoft's website. But here is the real question. What about those of you running Windows 10 on unsupported hardware? Well, that's exactly what today's video is all about. I'm going to show you step by step how to upgrade from Windows 10 to Windows 11 25H2. Even if your PC doesn't meet the official requirements. And for that, we will be using one of the best and most trusted tools out there, RUFUS. Now, you might be wondering, why are so many users rushing to upgrade to Windows 11? The reason is simple. Official security support for Windows 10 is ending this month. That means no more updates, no more patches, and no more protection, unless you enroll in Microsoft's ESU, which is the Extended Security Update Program, which, by the way, either costs money or forces you to sync your data with OneDrive. So instead of going through all that hassle, let's jump straight into upgrading safely and efficiently, even on unsupported devices. Here I am on Windows 10 system with the PC Health Check app open. If I click check now, it tells me my PC doesn't meet the Windows 11 system requirement, which is the missing TPM 2.0, secure boot, and an unsupported processor. But don't worry, in this video, I will show you how to use RUFUS to bypass all these requirements. First, open any browser. Now let's head over to Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page. Just enter Windows 11 download. Hit enter on your keyboard. Click on the first link that appears. On the official page, you get to see the current release version of the Windows 11 is the version 25H2. That is what we will be downloading. So on the page, scroll down and then head to download Windows 11 disk image. So you click on the select download for a drop down and select Windows 11. Click on confirm. From here, select your product language. Then you click confirm. And then select download Windows 11 English, which is the 64-bit download. Now click on the 64-bit download. The ISO is around 7.2 gigabytes. So depending on your connection, this might take a little while. Once the ISO is downloaded, open a new tab and then search RUFUS. Hit enter on the keyboard. Choose the first link. Scroll down a bit and then download the RUFUS application, whether the portable or standard. It's just a few megabytes, so I'll just download the standard. After downloading the RUFUS, launch the installer. Click on yes to continue. You might be asked to check for updates. Click yes. You will see the RUFUS dashboard. Plug in a USB drive, at least 8 GB recommended. From the RUFUS dashboard, click on the devices for a drop down and then select your USB. Next, head to the boot selection. Click select and then locate your newly downloaded Windows 11 ISO. Double click on it to choose it. Under image option, choose the standard Windows installation. Next is choosing the right partition scheme. Here is where a lot of people make mistakes. You will need to choose either GPT or MBR, depending on your system type. And to find out which one to use, click on the Windows search and then type in system information. Once it pops up, click on it to open it. Under BIOS mode, if it says UEFI, select GPT in RUFUS. And if it says legacy, choose MBR. My BIOS mode is legacy, so I'll just go for MBR. You can choose to rename the volume label, so I'll just rename mine Win 11, which is Windows 11. Then click start. This part is what makes RUFUS so powerful. You will see a pop-up window titled Customize Windows Installation. Make sure you select these options or check the boxes for these options. Check remove requirements for 4 GB plus RAM, secure boot, and TPM 2.0, which is the main reason for this tutorial. And then check remove requirements for an online Microsoft account. And then create a local account with username. Here you can enter your username, so I'll just enter iTech. You can also check disable data collection. You can also check disable BitLocker automatic device encryption. Then you click OK to confirm. You get a quick warning pop-up. RUFUS will erase all data on the USB drive, so make sure you've backed up anything important. Then click OK again and wait while the bootable USB is created. Once RUFUS says ready in green, your bootable Windows 11 USB is ready to go. Now you can close the RUFUS application. Now you have two options, either to upgrade directly from Windows 10, that is keeping all your files and apps, or do a clean installation for a fresh start. If you want to upgrade directly, just open your USB in File Explorer and then double-click the setup.exe. Click Yes to continue. When prompted about updates, select Change how setup downloads updates and then choose Not right now. Click Next. If you see a warning that says your PC doesn't meet system requirements, just click Accept. Finally, at the Terms and Agreement stage, click Accept. From here, you can either choose to keep personal files only, that is, your settings and apps will be deleted but your files will be kept, or choose Nothing, which will delete everything including files, apps and settings. For this step, I'll just keep my personal files only. Then I'll click Next. If you get this message saying continuing the installation of Windows will change your display language, and to change it back, you will need to reinstall the language pack. Just click OK and then click Refresh. Finally, click Install to begin the installation process. This method works flawlessly for both Windows upgrade and clean installations, all without losing your data. That's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more Windows tips and drop a comment below if you run into any issues. I'll do my best to help you out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.